You'll have 10 seconds for each question. Pause or slow down the video for extra time. Best of luck.
I fell asleep while I was studying. You shouldn't text while you are driving. There was a lot of noise during the concert. She took many photos during her vacation in Italy. I updated my phone while I was waiting for the train. During the war, many families were separated. Da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa during the Renaissance. People suffered many hardships during the 1930s. I learned about the American Revolution while watching a documentary. While in the Bronze Age, we began to use metal tools and weapons.